Hello guys, watching, welcome back to today's tutorial. So in this video I'll take you through how to download Aviator App Predictor on your smartphone. Before going through this video, I just want to remind you that this video is basically for educational purposes. Okay, so without wasting time, let's just go straight to our settings on the phone. So we shall just need to scroll down from here, go to apps. Okay, so after here, then we shall look for the browser that we are going to use, or we shall click on Chrome, or you can click any kind of browser that you are having. So we shall click on install unknown apps. We shall need to give it a privilege by toggling it on, and this will be allowing it from the other sources. Then so right from here we shall open our Chrome. From the search bar we shall search for Aviator Predictor App. So guys, as you see from here, we have Aviator App Predictor, Softonic, and more from there. So let us click on this Softonic. So just simply from here, just click on download. And so guys, this will automatically download from there. Click on open for that case. From here, just allow the installation. And so guys, from here you'll be able to download the Aviator App Predictor on your smartphone. So guys, in case this fails, you can just simply go back to the browser, then look from other sources by simply scrolling down over here from Google and other trusted sources. So guys, this is it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and see you in the next video.